Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, today we are watching the beautiful profile lights without false ceiling, the perfect solutions for modern, stylish and budget-friendly home lighting. So whether you are renovating or just upgrading your space, profile lights are game changers. In this video, I'm going to cover their advantages, price range, top brands and key points to remember before installing. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. So first we understand that what is the profile light. A profile light, also called the LED strip lights or linear lights, are sleek modern lighting solutions that don't require a false ceiling. These aluminum channels house LED strips, offering a clean even glow without the need for heavy ceiling modifications. They are perfect for anyone wanting to add elegance and functionality to their home without breaking the walls. So let's talk about why profile arts are so fantastic choice. Like first one is the cost effective. So no false ceiling means no expensive construction or labor cost. You save the big on installation while still achieving a premium look. Another one is easy installation. So surface mounted profile lights can be directly fixed to your ceiling or walls, making them a DIY friendly options for quick updates. Another one is energy efficiency. So most profile lights use LED technology, which consumes less power, reduces the electricity bills, and it is eco-friendly. Another advantage is it's like versatile at designs. It is available in various shapes, sizes, and colors like warm white, cool white, or RGB. They suit any room, bedrooms, kitchen, hallways. Like you can see in this video, there are beautiful designs. Another one is even lighting. So the aluminum profile diffuses light, eliminating harsh LED dots and providing smooth, glare-free illumination. Another one is the low maintenance, like high quality LEDs last for years and steady aluminum casing protects against the damage. They add a sleek, minimalist vibe, enhancing your space without cluttering it. So now let's talk about the money. The cost of profile lights in India vary based on brand, size and quality. So the first material which is required is the aluminum case. So the price starts from 12 rupees to 15 rupees per running feet, and the aluminum case comes in a 10 feet long. Per piece aluminum case will cost you almost 120 rupees to 150 rupees per piece. Another material which is required is the LED strip. This is the most important part of our profile light designs. So the price starts from 70 rupees to 100 rupees per running feet, and the size of strip is 5 meter long. So each strip will cost you almost 1200 rupees to 1500 rupees per strip. For installing we require an electrician, so he will charge you almost 1000 rupees. So these are the some basic cost for installing the profile light designs. So this is the way you can calculate like how much strips is required. Just I told you that each strip will cost you almost 1200 to 1500 rupees, and the aluminum case, and each case is 120 to 150 rupees. And the best brands for profile lighting is the Philips lighting, Wipro consumer lighting, Havells, Siska, Ariant Star. These are the good brands are available for LED strips for profile lights. So while installing, before installing, you should remember some important points. Like first one is the plan your layout. So measure your ceiling or wall space accurately to determine the length and placement of profiles. Second is the choose the right profile type, like surface mounted profiles are best for no false ceiling, while recessed ones need a cavity. Corner profiles works great for edges. And for designs, always select the rectangular square shapes your designs. Don't go with the corner profile light. And you will get different types of lights are available, like cool white, natural white and the warm white. So you can select as per your mood. Another point to consider is the check LED quality. So check for LED with a high CRI like color rendering index of 80 plus for true to life colors and uniform brightness. Another point to consider is the power supply needs. So ensure you have the right LED driver for your strip's wattage. So plan space for hiding the drivers and always use the screw for secure mounting and adhesive compounds for strip lights to prevent slipping. Don't go with jerry because there are two types of installation. One is JD and another one is you can fix with the screws. So this screws installation is a perfect. Always hire a professional electricians. A skilled electrician ensure the safe wiring and polish finish. So friend, that's it for profile lights without false ceiling. They're affordable, stylish and super easy to install, making them perfect for any home. Which designs are you excited? So friends, let us know in the comment sections and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interior designs and tips ideas. So friends, keep supporting to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.